Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel germanlingohub. In our previous lesson, we have already uncovered the name of several captivating animals in German. Today we are taking it a step further and delving into the world of more creatures, big and small. I'll guide you through each animal's name, providing both English and German translations. Ready to deepen your animal vocabulary? Let's get started.
Das Tier, die Tiere. Noch einmal. Das Tier, die Tiere. Please notice that all the plural forms have the article die. Let's start with the majestic horse, which is Pferd in German. Let's practice. Das Pferd, die Pferde. Noch einmal. Das Pferd, die Pferde. Sheep provide wool and companionship. In German, it's Schaf. Let's practice. Das Schaf, die Schafe. Noch einmal. Das Schaf, die Schafe. Let's talk about the versatile chicken, which is Huhn in German. Let's practice. Das Huhn, die Hühner. Noch einmal. Das Huhn, die Hühner. Crocodiles are fearsome reptiles. In German, it's Krokodil. Let's practice. Das Krokodil, die Krokodile. Noch einmal. Das Krokodil, die Krokodile. Lizards are found in various environments. In German, it's Eidechse. Let's practice. Die Eidechse, die Eidechsen. Noch einmal. Die Eidechse, die Eidechsen. Snails move slowly and carry their homes. In German, it's Schnecke. Let's practice. Die Schnecke, die Schnecken. Noch einmal. Die Schnecke, die Schnecken. Slithering into our list, we have the snake, which is Schlange in German. Let's practice. Die Schlange, die Schlangen. Noch einmal. Die Schlange, die Schlangen. Entering the bamboo forest of China, we meet the panda, which is panda in German. Let's practice. Der Panda, die Pandas. Noch einmal. Der Panda, die Pandas.
The wolf, a majestic predator, is characterized by its thick fur and distinctive posture. Let's practice. Der Wolf, die Wölfe. Noch einmal. Der Wolf, die Wölfe. Roaming back onto the grasslands, we have the rhinos. In German, it's Nashorn. Let's practice. Das Nashorn, die Nashörner. Noch einmal. Das Nashorn, die Nashörner. Swinging into the tropical jungles, we meet the chimpanzee, which is Schimpanse in German. Let's practice. Der Schimpanse, die Schimpansen. Noch einmal. Der Schimpanse, die Schimpansen. The bison, a massive creature, is known for its sturdy body and distinctive hump-shaped horns. In German, it's Bison. Let's practice. Der Bison, die Bisons. Noch einmal. Der Bison, die Bisons. The raccoon, a skillful climber, is known for its striped facial pattern and ringed tail tip. In German, it's Waschbärer. Let's practice. Der Waschbärer, die Waschbären. Noch einmal. Der Waschbärer, die Waschbären. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, is characterized by its distinctive black tail strips and slender silhouette. In German, it's Gepard. Let's practice. Der Gepard, die Geparde. Noch einmal. Der Gepard, die Geparde.
Well done, language learners. You have expanded your German vocabulary by learning animals' name. The animal kingdom is diverse and fascinating, and knowing their names in German adds a new layer of appreciation. Keep practicing these words to enhance your German language skills. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Until next time, stay awesome. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Thanks for watching.